Oh, guess who? Me again. I gotta charge this camera up. Yeah, see? And there's the price. Looks backwards on there. Anyway. It's comfy. I'm wearing it. Well, the sun came out. Pouring in this window. Sky has got big blue and big clouds moving across. Yeah. Snow's still on the trees. Some is blown off. The thermometer. That's what the thermometer says. I'm getting ready now to go to town. So I'm gonna wear my outfit because it's still -3 and it's windy, so I'll put my jeans on, my size 10s. And yeah, he's out there shoveling the steps off. Can't see him, but oh, there he is. I'm gonna put salt down because I'm gonna slip and fall. I don't want to slip and fall on the last day of winter and break something. I don't want to slip and fall on the last day of winter. The screen's got snow on it, but I don't know if any went in through the screen or not. Anyway, don't matter. Don't matter. He's driving.
Man.
I get this done and it'll be all over. This is our late spring snowstorm. Poor man's fertilizer.
Last day of winter, too.
Yeah, last day of winter. Tomorrow's spring. When I went to school, spring was always on the 21st. How pretty it is hanging to the trees. Yeah, but those heavy branches is what takes down the power lines and leaves you without power. But we still got power now, but hopefully it'll all blow off and nobody will lose power. Okay, so I'm just gonna film that little bit. I don't have much power left on my phone. Toodly-doo. Well, I had to buy a new cord for my phone. Charge my phone. I'm using it right now. I had 18%. Now I don't know how much I got. It was 36 when I just looked at it, so. Anyway, so here we are. In town again. Yeah. Came all the way, and Manpower isn't even open. The Manpower office for the unemployment thing. So, yeah. So now we can't do anything until Monday. Richie gets back to work Monday. Tuesday, he might be working in the evening, so we can come on Tuesday in the daytime. Lord have mercy. Gee. Gas, this expensive. It's a lot of hustle and bustle going on. Yeah, you can see the, I don't know if you can see the druzy part. I got another pink pair, they're square. I wear them sometime, but I don't think I went into detail about the stone. So yeah, I got on all my jewels, of course. I don't know why it looks blurry. when I do that. Anyway, I'll probably just... Well, I could talk a moment, I suppose, about the plan that I eat, that I don't only lose the weight, but I got off of the medication, 5 medications, and yeah, I don't have the constant pain all the time. I'm not laying in the bed most of the time because I'm got so weak and no strength. So yeah, I wish I had the video of me the way I was, just shuffling along, trying to hobble to the bathroom or the kitchen to get something to eat. Yeah, Richie did all the cooking at that time. He used to bring pizza a lot of the time, which, you know, I loved that, and I was okay with that, and I asked for that, but I didn't realize that I was slowly poisoning myself with food like that. And the dairy, the ice cream, the party mix. Used to eat Kraft dinner, used to eat bologna. Yeah, it's... Anyway, here comes Richie already. I put our trays up on the dash in the sun to get them warm. He doesn't need his warm because he'll be putting his on his seat, on the wheel. There he is. There he is. Oh, you didn't get the big one?
No.
Why not? Because it's full? Oh. Oh. Well, anyway, I could have took some home, but it don't matter. It feels heavy tonight, so that means that there's enough in it. What'd you get? Some kind of soup. $2 off.
Some kind of cream of broccoli or something.
Oh, yeah. Fork for me.
Oh, we got them now.
Spoon for him. Oh. No, I used to... No, we'll save this. We'll save the fork and the... We got spoons, son.
Oh.
Anyway.
Now we got more.
Okay. Okay, here we are. My new cord is on there, so...
Can't see nothing on your neck.
My neck? Oh, because the sun's shining in.
There we are.
The sun's shining in on my neck. And I was...
In the way.
Yeah. Here we go. He'll spill his. I got large taters in a medium box, $4.29. And he got cream of broccoli soup, which is probably good, but it's got milk and butter in it. For me to taste it, I mean. Yeah, nice full box tonight, so nothing to growl about there.
Gee. Nothing to growl about. So far, so good. Tasty, soft, just warm enough. Now, I was telling the people the manpower office was closed. Oh. Whoa.
Well, that was a close one, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, because that probably would have dripped on that blanket or something.
There would have.
Oh my goodness, these are good today. My last addiction.
Wasn't that many left either.
Oh, did she empty the thing? Or he?
Oh, she this time.
Is that him going there? With the paper towel and the toilet paper?
Yep.
Every day we're here, he's here. Doesn't matter what time it is.
Yep.
We'll get some groceries when we come Tuesday.
Unless something changes, then it's gonna work.
Yeah.
Whoops.
What's that? Oh, at least it went on the tray. Whoopsie daisy.
One's left.
What?
One should be enough.
Oh, no. More than one came out. I need another one. Can you drink that, Con?
Too thick.
Too thick.
This is actually seems better because we're not sticking right out.
Yeah, this is more like it.
If it's free, maybe this is where we'll come every time. Somebody threw their shovel right on the back of their truck. Oh, well, that's a Ranger, but it's an Edge. It doesn't say four-wheel drive.
Nope.
Ten to 5. Nope.
10-5.
I got my outfit on, but tomorrow's spring, so. And the temperature's going to be 5. And then the day after that, it's going to be 10, and then 11, and 12.
There she's here again.
The snow is melting off of the top of the...
It's like right down inside.
Ah. That should do it. Whoa! And Richard got his phone so that light wouldn't come on, keep flashing on, and something to do with his notifications. Yeah. Can't get the high boots if they're made out of leather. My gracious. That was scary.
She's breaking up.
You want a spud in your soup?
Nope.
Was there anything in there tempting to pick up and buy?
I didn't look.
If you looked, you probably would have found something.
Yeah, I work at another package of that meat. Buy one, get one free. Haven't had that in over a couple of years.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if that long. Wow.
Look, there it comes.
Oh, wasn't fast enough. That's a crispy one. Hard. Hard to chew, but the rest of them are all right. So far.
That's fake. Now you're dropping them.
You got a lint too. That plastic got a lint on it. Sun's brighter on that car up there.
Get warm?
Well, the wind was blowing so hard and it was so... I don't know what the temperature was when we left. The snow coming in the window.
Yep.
Not where it's coming from. So some businesses are closed today because of the storm this morning.
Yep.
So.
I even heard on the radio some of them wasn't going to open until after 10:30. Didn't have a look at it.
And some never opened at all. That must be why Manpower's closed. And there isn't a number, you can't call them. You haven't been able to call for a long time. That Shelburne office. Mobile mechanics. Yeah, because this is Richard's first week with no payday. That's why we're not shopping today. Because we can't do our income taxes until we get in that Manpower office.
Nope. Nope.
Can you see that red dot's on, or is it taping? Recording.
Nope, not on.
No? Because I touched it and then the red light came on. Yeah, it's on.
It's not on now.
Alright. Because watch when I do that. It means it's not paused when the red dot's there.
Yeah, I know. I just said the red light was on. I didn't say it was paused.
Oh.
I didn't say the camera was paused. I just said the red light was on.
But it wasn't on. Until I put it on. That's what I'm trying to say.
But it's not on now.
I don't think, no.
Well, I might as well go over there while you're finishing your snack.
These are most delicious for a long time.
Well, it's a bag of eggs.
Is that?
Mm-hmm.
Another hard one. But most of them are good. Sun's so bright. Now what's it on? I was recording.
Well, we'll be back.
Alright. I'll be done.
Okay.
6 or 7 left.
6 or 7 minutes.
Left.
Oh.
Just me and all you guys now. All my friends. I didn't, what did I say? I don't know. I don't know what I was going to say. Last two stuck together. My stomach is saying, thank you for feeding me. Last one.
Yeah. Strange noises in here.
Yeah. All right, we're done.
Hello.
Cool, we're done. This will probably be the last snowstorm I'm gonna film this year. Yeah. Looks pretty all white on the sides though. Road's nice and dry and clear. A lot of it is melted or blown off the bushes, branches. Yeah. A RAV4. Toyota. Is that a Toyota? Toyota RAV4, yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, they had their heads down under the water.
Oh. Oh, that's only been through here.
Pretty though. Yeah, the ducks was like, had their heads down towards the hunting. With their tails sticking straight up in the air.
Maybe they're eating.
Yeah, that's what I mean. They're hunting for food. Oh, jeepers. Jeepers, creepers. Where's them peepers?
Stop.
Fine. Stop it. Gets me all mad.
Let's see if it's going. Still smelling man.
Yeah. Snow still in the trees here. And that tree didn't fall over this winter. Down there.
Getting lower.
Wow! That's what I did last year. I come out and I was reaching up there with the shovel and knocking it down. Yeah, now you can see the silver van's gone and that other camper's gone. Thank you. Thank you. No, that's right. Good place. Good place to... Uh-oh. It's me. We're home from town. I got you balanced on my knee. Gonna have a drink. And I'm gonna have a vitamin D. 1. Oh, 4 come out, but I just need 1. That's all I take, 1. 1,000 UIs a day. Supports a healthy immune system and bone health. I'm pretty sure they're advising people to make sure they're getting vitamin D with COVID around. Oh! I don't know if I'm allowed to say that or not. Nick says you're not. He knows a lot about YouTube. Okay, got that done. Changed my top. I don't want cat fur all over my... Yeah, it's got the beet stain on it. It matches my my jewelry today and my... What do you call that dicky thing? Okay. Now... I'm going to eat my grapes. But I won't do it on video. I got so much to edit now that I'll just show that and then I'll... Night, my peeps. See you tomorrow. Missy, how come you're laying like that? That's a funny way to lay. Does anybody know why she's laying like that? Anyway, toodly-doo. Good night and God bless you, everybody.